Been a few hours, but it feel like
The
days.
birthday boy. Yay!
Only been days, but it feel like months. Like months. Like move fast and you do what you want.
He's like, no, not doing it.
He's like, no.
Our meal. We're all about to eat. Scrumptious, scrumptious.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not.
Guys, and welcome back to another video. So, the exciting news. I got some exciting news to tell you. What is the exciting news, you hope? Stay tuned and watch the video in order to find out what is coming up next. But anyways, it is Pop's birthday weekend. Yay, we are excited. Actually, we're all just dressed right now because we're literally heading out. Yeah, so we are going out for Pop's birthday. Stay tuned. Well, by this time you guys should already see his photo shoot drop. Yeah. And oh, it was just so cute. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So let's get into it, guys. We're on our way out now. Yeah. Wondering, of course, the decoration is still up because it's this day after. So yeah, still up, a little bit messy, but we're still keeping it up for now. We love it. So we're keeping up the decorations. But yeah, we're about to run out now because he is excited. Oh, I'm excited to take it. I wonder if he go wear his little sunglasses. I'll bring them up, put them on his face. Oh, did you put something in water? I'm just trying to hurry up and pack up a little summer bag for him because it gets hectic where we are going. Yeah. And I'll pour him some snacks. Extra snack. Yeah, so. One of the chicken? Yeah, give me one of the chicken legs. Let me just carry that bad boy with me. Alright, let's go. I think I should have enough. Do something formula. I mean his drink and stuff. I bring this just in case he gets cold, and I brought a change of pants. I bought his juice. I wonder if I should bring a fork. Any spoon? You know what? Let me carry him spoon. Just in case. Oh, let me carry one of his spoon. Because in case of anything, him have it. Yeah. Alright. You ready? Oh, let me grab this something there, Clarissa. Thanks. Alright. See you guys in the car. And ship to the back. So, I'm hanging out with my main man here. The birthday boy. Yes! Happy birthday! Oh my gosh! And there is Miss Princess Rissa. Oh, as usual. Oh, if you're such a fuck. Yeah, guys, she's starting to grow into herself. Finally. Yeah. I love it. She's the boy. Look at her. Hello. She finally starting to learn how to dress. I provide the clothes, like you say. You instead of you teach them how to fish, and they will become many a fisherman, right? So you provide. Oh, are you dressed out for it?
It wasn't you. No, even. It's just your shirt. It's just the shirt.
The shirt that makes the pants bright.
No.
Okay, well, at least Faith the teacher too, so you know. So
She
so
gave me the shirt.
She's
and
getting
I
there.
put the shirt.
I gave you the shirt.
Getting there.
Put it on.
You know.
No, you didn't.
Yes,
It's
I
always
didn't wear
nice
it.
when you
I'm
can
sorry. I
find,
didn't wear it. I didn't wear
as
it.
kids, you learn to put yourself together. So it's just the five of us and the Princess Queen and King is in the front. Yeah. She decided to ship me to the back because she said she looked good in the front.
You look good anyway, I'm telling you.
That's a lie. In the back, you don't look good at all.
Even by steering wheel, I look good too.
That's why you're supposed to get behind the steering wheel. Right? Right, babes? Hmm? Well, maybe not today, because Romario in the car also, so maybe not today, maybe on a different day. Hello, she can't start learn now. I have to go look up the driving school for it.
Not a problem, not an issue.
Say hi, girl.
Because then at least I go do my GP.
The birthday boy, say I'm one. Say, I'm one. Up there, show them, tell them that you're one. How old are you? Say, I'm one.
26.
You know, do it, Pops. Eh? You know, say me, you go fight. Eh? Say, I'm one. Put up the finger. One? Yes. One. Yes, sometimes you see. Eh? No matter if I put up a dirty shoe in there. Yes, I'm one. Yeah, no nonsense in the talk. He's talking. Yes. See, I no nonsense. You just don't understand me. Yes. Yeah. You just don't understand me. You good boy. Yeah. One. One. Come now. Let me wait for you to put up your finger. One. Look, see Dada do it? Put up one. How old are you? See everybody doing it but you. One. You see they're laughing at us, guys? Watch now. Let me take off the camera off of him and we'll put them up. Huh? Yeah, at the right time of year. One. Don't worry about the spot, guys. My makeup touched it.
Again, I just get the largest and piece around with you.
Oh, right now. Hello. I didn't even put the makeup when I was squirting out the makeup. I didn't put it close to my face, the liquid, and it still managed to catch the shirt. And usually, me always try to put on my clothes after, or if I do, I put something over it, but not this time. So, but yeah, we will see you guys when we reach. Oh my God, my head. Because you see, only for people walk on sitting there.
Ever see before?
Yeah, all of these yesterday. There's cotton candy and stuff.
Wait, you guys gonna see? Gonna see a little chicken?
So here we reach. Whew. It is busy down here, boy. Busy, busy, busy. Thank you. Are you giving me one? Oh. Huh? Thank you. Oh, wait. All right. Okay. Oh, popcorn. Everybody is out. Look, babe, look what I got. Here, let's go. Huh? Ramp, there's a ramp there. Ramp up there. Okay, you just put up with the backside. Papa, you ready? Okay, guys. All right. You ready? Watch your stuff then at the bottom. Okay. We are here, guys. So we are taking Pops to the aquarium for his birthday. He's gonna go see the fishies. Okay. Our entrance in here. Yeah. Here. Look at that. Let me show you guys. Yeah, look at these.
I know my fishes.
You see the shark? Isn't that? All the fishes?
Shark where?
Look. All right, guys. Everybody, they're like little kids. Did you look at the stuff? Look, Papa. Look. Look. Somebody forgot their water bottle. So, okay. Here we go. So ready. The little fish. Look at them. Oh, look at the big one. Oh, at the bottom. Look at the big one. Huh?
No, they're not.
They're not fake. They're real.
They're sleeping. Oh, you can see the gills.
Yeah, they're breathing. Look, see its eyes moving, babe? Crazy. Huh? Go on, put me something there. Oh, look, there's a starfish. You see it?
Oh yeah, that's so cool.
Yeah. Look, that's fun. I know, because they're just laying there. Like, usually fish swim. They don't lay there. Look, babe, there's a starfish. It's a starfish.
When you look into the tank, it's just tripping me. Where? Look at that one just drinking water.
Yeah, it's...
Look.
Oh, look at Pops. He's enjoying himself, guys. Yeah. Oh, there's Mario. Oh, Papa's loving it, guys. Look at him. He's just looking. Oh, sorry. Is it fishy? Look at the fishy, Pops. You love it? Papa, do you love it? Hi. Look at you with the fish. Good boy. Okay guys, so we are on the move. Hi Papa, Papa, look. Look, look Papa. You see the shark? Look. Oh,
Look at that one up there.
that one.
Look at the one up there. No, that one's bigger.
Oh, the shark, it's at the back hiding. Oh, yellowtail snapper. I was like, I know that one because we eat that one. Oh gosh. So this is salt water. Yeah, because look at that one. I remember that one too.
It's giving Aquaman. It's a stingray. Oh my god.
Look, Papa, look.
It's so cute at the bottom. That's not
Papa, look.
It looks
Show him, Mario. Show him. Show him. Look at his face.
It's cute. That's not the face though. That is not the face. Oh, a turtle. I saw one.
Yeah, I didn't see one.
Look at the shark right there.
I know. Guys, this is so beautiful. Oh, Romario'S Pops. Gone.
They're not there.
Hear me about Romario'S Pops. Mario and Pops. Gone your own way. Oh. Oh, look, he's hitting the bullseye, the Superman.
The swordfish. No, not swordfish. Not mine.
Where's the swordfish? Oh, look at that one. Huh? Because he's stopping and taking stuff. Look at Mario.
He looks scared, mommy. He looks scared. He's like, no, not doing it.
He's like, no.
Scared.
Like, are you insane? Why are we
I know.
So cute. Oh.
Yeah, like,
And he's usually with a walking dog. So we take a little break to look at the stingrays. Yeah, so we're at the stingray session. So we have reached the part up top.
Mommy, do you see where Mario just try to reach in the water for his thing? Look, Mario touched it. Mario touched it. Oh, you did touch it. Oh, look, it's coming.
Okay, guys. As you see, we look tired out. Everybody, but Pops is fast asleep. Oh my, with his mouth open. Oh gosh, we are exhausted, but the fun is not fully over as yet. We are on to our next adventure. Oh Lord. So yeah, that's we're on to next. Oh my God. But yeah, we're on to our next adventure, guys. But the traffic down here is not normal. Yeah, it's gonna take us more than half an hour, more than an hour to get to where we need to go for our next. So we will catch you there. Right now I feel like I could sleep. I know hotel we took our bed almost 3 o'clock this morning. All of us in the house. So the festivities continue. So we are finally here. We're about to eat. Yay! Oh, here comes our drinks. Yum, 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 yum.
Not Fio no di day.
No.
I'm in 7-Up.
My food. Thank you.
I'll be right back with your drink as soon as it's ready.
Thank you.
Just a small cup of water here.
Oh, thanks. Oh, you know that's yours. That's yours. Hey, birthday boy, that's yours. Let me drop your crackers on the floor. So, okay. Now we figure out we're gonna get. We're here looking at the menu. Oh Lord. This pizza looks hefty. Look at this one here. I don't even know what type of pizza is this. Halfway square. What is it? Half times square foot. So we're at Boston Pizza, guys. So I'm looking at the menu. Trying to figure out what I want. Papi Chulo. Hi. Hello, birthday boy. Huh? How's the lime sauce? Is it good?
Oh, it tastes so good in the 7-Up.
Let Romario give Romario a lime. Let's see his face, his reaction.
I think he likes it.
He likes it because he likes the lemon.
See, it doesn't faze him.
No, he likes lemon.
Yum yum. That good?
And I give him lemon juice.
Is it good?
Mine are jumping.
Is it good?
Bite it.
It's like all night, my taste bud's still tasting it. Oh, sorry.
Have you guys decided here as well?
Yes, we're ready to order. So, me and Mario get pina colada as usual because it is our favorite, one of our many favorite drinks, and we just order. So we're waiting for our appetizer to come, and we just finished ordering. Good, good. Guys, this is our meal. We're all about to eat some scrumptious. Chow down, guys. Time. We just finished having dinner. Oh my god, it is 5:21 now. I am exhausted.
Look at my cheeks. No, can I tell me I look like a strawberry? You get the strawberry. Oh, you're cute. Your cheeks are pink. Very, very red.
That so look like a strawberry.
Yeah, you see it?
Oh, we're getting sunburn? You didn't put on no sunscreen? You know, so we need to get some sunscreen. Yeah, forgot to get sunscreen for Pops and the babes.
It's so hot right
Papa,
now. Oh, we could have
say hi.
I think that's for the bar.
No, it's not for the bar. You could have ate outside. You would have to us. Last time me and Mario eat there and eat out the door, Mario said, no, Sasha. Alexander, they bun you up. See, now the sun is like coming out, it's like popping.
It's me hot when me put the window.
No, but it's still better because if you had this open, it would have been. And I say, so we either gonna, I don't know what we're doing now, so we're either gonna head home or yeah, we will see what the next thing is in store.
At the stop sign, turn left onto Upwell Drive, then turn left onto this road.
Papa.
I'm gonna say son better more than kiss.
Huh?
I mean, no one not for the son more than kiss. Marriedness. Ew.
Look at Romario like, okay guys, oh lord, I'll catch you when we reach home. I'll pull up. Oh yeah, we'll see you guys when we go home. I'm exhausted. Right now I could go home and sleep. Yeah, see I could go home and sleep. Did you enjoy your birthday? Say yeah, I'm still enjoying your birthday and it's not finished yet. Yay! Where to next?
Airport.
So we get home safe and sound. We just reached in. You guys don't even want to know what just happened to Faith. Faith there, the exercise and the flex and say, yeah, as in good on, I'll come back up your pants, rip. Her whole of her bum is outside. Oh gosh, I could think we were the only one behind her to walk me.
Oh my god, did the penny? Oh,
Ew, what happened? Did he just vomit?
Spit on the floor.
He just vomit. Oh, Mario.
You in your face, could they so? If I know one thing, or the next move.
Come, take off your shoes, Papa. Come.
Take a food out of me.
You don't want to sleep no more?
So use the pants up in here?
Exactly, panty. I know that is not garbage. I favorite pants. That's also Faith said, I thought I felt more breeze than normal.
I got my pin under her undone. I was like, okay. Sweet. If you back there,
Mario, they behind her, they laugh. They laugh. Oh gosh, laugh artist gone.
Oh my god. My scalp.
Oh Lord. But I think we're probably just gonna relax and watch a movie. Yeah. Oh, I am drained. Oh my goodness, I'm so tired.
How was your time at the aquarium, Mario? Because you come like, you we go far.
Did you have fun, Mr. Williams?
I don't know, 500.
Oh, you look so drunk.
Yeah, give me room.
Are you appreciating it?
Mario, oh gosh, guys, we're at the table. And Mario beautiful bathroom open, he's going in there. And Mario said, Shan, how much rum them put in the pina colada? He said double. He said what? Double.
Oh, ew, he's shitting. I can smell it. He's shitting.
Oh my God, baby.
Hurt me.
Smelling bomb if you do look.
You can't smell it. I was trying something.
He's going to the bathroom. Look. Oh my gosh.
This is what I was doing. It's that song on TikTok that says, I've been a nasty and you're just japping. My booty cheek outside. I can't believe that happened.
Zero, I tried to do the dance.
I know he was trying to do it too.
I know, that's why I bent down to the ground. Oh my gosh. Papa, are you done? That's good. You know the funny thing? He did that yesterday, the day before, when we went out, I realized he starts waiting till he comes home before he goes to the bathroom.
The
same thing when he came home. Yeah, he bent down and he was actually pooping. Go start potty train him early and see if he wants something to go. Because the fact I always know when he's going to the bathroom, he actually stands in a little corner.
Or he squats.
And he squats and he's going.
Oh, see him drop on it, you know, like you feeling, you see it?
Yuck.
Yeah.
You drop
Damn.
on your shit?
Oh my god. But anyway, guys.
My mother thinking food from my mouth.
When you did take you out, you take out for your thinking foot in the car and cock your
It
body
wasn't
that
that bad. Leave it. I'm wiping up your nasty pluck.
But anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to tell a friend to come and join the Romario'S fam.
Oh, you
where it's always 8 vibes over here. Yeah, so we're just probably just gonna relax, watch a movie, because yeah, that is what is up, and we will see you guys in the next one. Are you saying bye, Mr. Williams? Mr. Williams? You're not saying bye.
Bye. Oh, we have to hand out your something in here.
Oh, I'm right here. Oh, Lord. Say bye. I say that, sir.
You didn't get no sleep last night, sir?
You didn't get no sleep last night?
4 hours sleep again, from 3 to 7.
Me too.
3.
But we tell us if you're going to bed so
4
early.
hours sleep.